8/22/2020 Tesla weekly chart. Tesla hits $2,095 a share. The weekly low was 1672. Has that stock split that will take effect next Monday. And they ran that split right up. The news came out over a week ago when we originally had a good pullback to 1364 on Tesla. And then Tesla started making that move at around 1448. Then we got a closing price of 1650, and then we have the weekly gap, and that split is going to happen. But let me just tell everybody what will happen. When you have a stock split like that with Tesla, Tesla's had 10x moves a few different times. And we're going to enter into a period now where Tesla can go sideways. Is Tesla extremely overbought? No, not yet. Was Tesla extremely overbought when we were over here? Yes, it was. And we did. When it gets extremely overbought, like we did, we have the pullback, and then we have the split. And they ran this thing the best performer ever. But I can tell you, there has to be a time to sell, and we are sellers of it now. And one of the things is after the stock split, you will see where Tesla will move, but it will not have the same beta that Tesla has had after the stock split. And it won't. And that won't happen for a while. So the moves in Tesla will be okay, but you're not going to see the $150 price movements all the time anymore. Not right now, you're not. But that momentum is still there and can still carry it higher into next week until we do hit the extreme overbought levels. And what Tesla does after it does make big moves. Like it made big moves over here. We bought Tesla all the way up. And we have for a number of years. Ever since 2010 when Tesla came public. And it first made its moves. And it didn't look back until it got to $250 a share. And then it would hit 185, and then we would move higher through the course of different monthly movements and yearly movements and everything that we've done with Tesla. But we do know one thing about Tesla. When you have a stock split, we do know how they work. And you will have a lot of people that will come back and the volume will be higher, but the prices won't be as big intraday. So, once again, we're cashing out of Tesla. We have very long-term stuff, but short-term stuff, we take the moves and the big moves on what they're going to give us in the short term and ring that cash register. And yeah, the longer-term stuff, we've been long-term, all right, and for a number of years in Tesla. But the thing about it is you do have to know when to be a seller. And you have to know that when that algorithm turns on Tesla, it will turn, and it did. It hit that 2095, man, and dropped like a rock. It did. Hit 2095 on the high and dropped like a rock to 2042 on the close, and that's how they work. But these ranges and the volatility that will follow Tesla at these stock splits are going to hit the market, and that means it's going to hit you investors and you little, who knows what you are, day traders or whatever. But you still will run into a problem with Tesla after the split as far as price beta